All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Drama as Emefiele dodges camera in court. This is getting out of hand. This is so serious, and this is to show that this man has actually suffered. Well, onto this, the suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN Godwin Emefiele, avoided cameras when he arrived at the Federal Capital Territory High Court on Thursday, 17th August. Emefiele, who has been in custody of the Department of State Services (DSS) since his arrest after President Bola Tinubu suspended him on June 9, exchanged pleasantries with his team of lawyers in court. He was looking healthy but has lost some weight, though he is of a small frame. When operatives of the secret police brought him to the court, journalists were not allowed to freely take pictures and then capture him on camera, as the defendant's lawyers also shielded him, and then it has been reported how the federal government withdrew the illegal possession of firearms charge it filed against suspended CBN governor and then filed fresh charges. The embattled Apex Bank chief, who has been in detention since being suspended from office on June 9, 2023, was accused of suffering corrupt advantages on Yaro, a director in April 1616 Investment Limited. Well, Emefiele was spotted at the FCT High Court, Maitama, and was seen hiding from flashlight from the journalist cameras at the court premises. Well, Nigerians actually reacted quickly to this scenario, as seen in the viral video. Yes, and then that's exactly what we are actually talking about. Well, it had been gathered that Emefiele purchased 100 million naira APC presidential ticket from while in office, that the man had committed a lot of monetary crime and also abuse of office. I only have issue with how he's being treated without proper legal assessment, but he sincerely created the mess millions of Nigerians are facing. He deserves to be tried properly, and then if guilty, he should be prosecuted according to law, and then not vendetta or abuse of power. All right, that's another one that had been said. A lot of people have actually, know, commented on this one, and the people are of the opinion that he deserves everything he is getting. Just that, the way he is being maltreated is too much. Well, I think a lot of people, if you remember what happened during the cashless policies, you understand that many people died during this period. In case you don't know, and then I think the prayer, I would say the prayer of the people, or the causes of the people, the family of the people who died, are the things that are actually going on. That's why, in life, no matter what, my brother, my sister, try as much as possible to do good. Don't joke with people's life. If you think, you can do and undo, I am so very sure that majority of people then that lost their family, you could remember very well that deputy bosser who died in Lasso while on queue just to get money to eat. And how much was that man actually queuing for? To get just 5,000 naira on a queue, and this man died of, I don't know, maybe hunger or something. But do you think the family of that man will be happy? Do you think the family of that man that died, they will just like, okay, no, wala, let it be like that? A lot of people would have gone extra mile. That anybody that that causes the death of this man, this also thing will catch up with him. So everything that is happening to Emefiele today, I am so very sure is not ordinary. A lot of people have actually reversed that curse on him. That everything that must have happened, though, let this social person suffer, and this exactly what we can see is happening. Well, according to what somebody Akini says, okay, says, well, just the way he collapsed millions of small businesses with his greedy naira change, putting millions of Nigerians in suffering, the same way he must suffer. You can imagine, you see, that's exactly what we are talking about. I just talked about that, and then exactly what the people must have referred to. Nobody in Buhari's government that didn't loot money. All of them should be checked too, not only Emefiele. Fine, we understand. God should just have mercy. Well, in particular, the former aviation minister who thought he was smarter than all Nigerians also needs to be tried. Well, the prayers and the cry of our old mothers and the fathers are working this time against Emefiele. You see, now your turn to cry. That's another one. You see, I just said it. That's why, as far as Nigeria is concerned, if you are out there, you think, you can do and undo. You can treat the people badly. Don't forget that one day will be one day you will pay for all the crimes and atrocities you have caused the people, either you like it or not. Well, meanwhile, somebody is like, definitely the people have not forgiven him. That is why he must suffer it. Emefiele is wicked. In fact, he's a wicked soul. That singular naira redesign was enough for him to be sentenced to death. A lot of people died during that cash problem just because of his personal feud with Tinubu. We have said this. Many people actually died, and no, I just said the same thing earlier. So this is to tell you that what is actually working against Emefiele is more than him. And it's a lesson for everyone out there. If you believe, oh, I'm in power today, I can do and undo. Don't worry. You should know that there is one God that is bigger than every human being. No matter what, you must surely reap that thing. You must surely reap it. Well, somebody is of the opinion that what will you say about Buhari that directed him on the issue of it? Did you think that Emefiele did it by his power? Well, it is no. Well, if you are condemning Emefiele, condemn Buhari also. Fine. I think a lot of people already had that in mind. I don't know if that same person is actually Buhari. Yes, if that man is Buhari, I'm not sure he will still be alive. That's exactly another thing for us to understand. If that man there was actually Buhari, because they will tell you that shebi na Buhari na the cause, Buhari wey don go. I know majority of people will understand what I'm trying to say. If na Buhari really did there, my brother, my sister, because the kind of curses a lot of people rained on that man, I'm not sure he should be alive. If na Buhari did there, that's exactly what we are saying. If na Buhari really did there, the kind of curses that people released on that man, I'm not sure he's supposed to be alive. Well, the truth of the matter is, as far as this life is concerned, always try as much as possible to do good, because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is right now. Onto this one, majority of things are actually being said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.